Okay, I'm in the Jimny now, and the biggest thing with this clutch is that when you get to the bottom of the throw, feel that? That's where it disengages right there. I'm hoping it's because the cable is stretched. I know this is a very common thing for Jimnys. You can see, I don't know if there was actually something here before as like a stopper, or if they clearly removed it. I don't know what was there. Oh, who is that? Little baby? Who else?
Underneath there.
Oh, hi. Hello. Here is where the clutch is connected to. Okay. Up here we have to connect the cable to the top of the pedal. Override. All right, go ahead.